approaching. This is going to be approaching. Again, a train's approaching.
I told you that was getting worse. No, not
Go.
subscribing in the first 10 seconds of the closure. Yeah, I told you it's getting worse. By the time it gets 12 o'clock, it's going to start beeping.
What time is it?
The first two even come down.
10:26, and my phone's on 71%.
Yeah.
But that's still enough for a day, though.
Literally
But
over a month ago, it's not doing what it's doing now. And I'm hoping it's going to do in 9 months' time what that is doing.
wait, why is it on fully? Why is it on the? Wait, why is that one taller than the other?
It's because this one is on the floor nearly.
Yeah.
Also, when this had
That one's. Oh my God! Why? How is that bent? Yeah.
Also, when this was a broken skirt, it clipped off that. It went,
I've seen trespass videos on level crossing misuses and that. I've seen someone who pulled it up, that barrier, pulled it the bottom of the barrier up, but it climbs underneath it.
no, I've caught that when they do that.
Yeah, where they pull. Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah,
Yeah.
seen. I think I've seen your videos. I've got 12 subscribers.
I know, my other one's got like 17.
17. Yeah.
I've got an extra channel if you want to subscribe to that.
Yeah.
No, don't forget you've got 13 subscribers because I subscribed to you.
I've got 56. I've got 56 minutes and 14 seconds.
Told you.
Never mind. But it doesn't matter
If you
anyway.
want some more recording time, you're welcome just to like free up the storage.
Yeah. Wait, why are you not video recording? Wait, what's that?
Backpack. I'm going to put this cunt on charge now.
Oh, what is it like? The unportable chargers where you take it everywhere. Yeah, I've
Yeah.
got one.
Yeah.
I keep mine in my pocket and video record. Why do some people have two phones video recording?
I have this one, but it's literally on 31%.
31. Train will be approaching.
11 o'clock, I might start recording again.
I really like the way that's bouncing. Wait, can it make a noise when it hits the ground? Oh, yeah.
It makes that noise when it hits the ground, so does all the other barriers.
Yeah.
Oh, good, the train's now approaching.
Some people push the
Got 2
barriers to go
kilo
through.
9 now going into the loop, so yeah,
Alright.
we're going to stay for that one.
My phone is on 70%. Still enough though for today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
should be enough.
Yeah, it should be. What's this train going to? Wait, what's the train going to? Yeah. Huh? What train will this be going to?
From Leicester to Peterborough.
Leicester to Peterborough, yeah.
We're staying for your 10:31. It's much rush from Doncaster to then turn around it to go back out to Leicester.
Yeah.
So fucked.
Wait, why are you not video recording?
Yes, it does.
What are?
So I'm not yet.
My friends from my school comment on my videos. How many comments do you have?
What in total?
Yeah.
We look at 761.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
Have you heard of this video called?
My live stream's got 120, 112.
Oh yeah, my video went viral before. I've got 547 views. I'm at the Brayford one.
My most viewed one is like 10,000.
What?
Yeah, that was this morning. But now it's gone again, and it's not even surviving the first 10 seconds. It's getting worse. Now it's unfixed itself.
Oh look, the lift. Oh, train come in. What train's this going to? Yep. 534 to Lincoln Central.
From Doncaster.
Yep, that was
Believe
correct.
it or not. Oh,
Wait, yeah, release.
A little
Release. There we go. Bonk, yep. That is...
right, push it up a little bit.
Oh no. Woo, I missed it. Never mind. I've done that before.